Are you a freelance writer looking to increase your income? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of generating passive income as a freelance writer. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. The first step to generating passive income as a freelance writer is to create and sell ebooks. Ebooks are a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn money on autopilot. Start by identifying a popular niche or topic that you're knowledgeable about. Then, create a high-quality ebook filled with valuable information. Once it's ready, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or even through your own website. Next, consider creating online courses. Online learning is booming, and people are always eager to learn new skills. Leverage your expertise and create a comprehensive course that teaches aspiring writers how to excel in their craft. Whether it's fiction writing, copywriting, or content creation, there's a demand for knowledge in every niche. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to create and sell your courses. Another option to generate passive income is through affiliate marketing. As a freelance writer, you're constantly researching and discovering helpful tools and resources. Why not share those with your audience and earn a commission in the process? Join affiliate programs for writing software, grammar checkers, or even books, and provide your readers with valuable recommendations. This way, you're helping others while making money passively. Lastly, explore the world of print on demand. If you love designing and creating artwork, why not turn it into a source of passive income? Websites like Redbubble or Society6 allow you to upload your designs and sell them on various products, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Once your designs are uploaded, the platform takes care of producing and shipping the products, leaving you with a constant stream of passive earnings. By implementing these strategies, you can turn your freelance writing career into a lucrative source of passive income. Remember, creating and selling ebooks, offering online courses, affiliate marketing, and print on demand are all excellent ways to augment your revenue while maintaining the freedom and flexibility of freelancing. Thanks for watching this video on mastering the art of generating passive income as a freelance writer. If you found this content helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to boost your freelance writing career. See you in the next video.